Hi everyone, today I'm going to make breakfast with bread and potato stuffing. It's very easy and you can make it in few minutes. You just need boiled potato. I took 2 boiled potatoes, half green chili as per your taste. You can add more. And I put celery, very finely chopped, very fine chopped, and green onions, spring onions, so very finely chopped, and the salt and little chili flakes if you want to add, and oil to, little bit oil. We need to put the bread and a little fry on that. That's all. And all purpose flour, 2 tablespoons for coating. And it's very easy, very tasty. So to start with, we'll mash the potatoes. Mashed potato, I'm gonna add the onions, spring onions, and celery. I have added celeries, but you can also add carrot, but it has to be grated carrot, and a little bit chili flakes, and salt, half teaspoon, or as per your taste, and mix them well. If you have a carom seeds or cumin seed, add those too. They will give you good flavor. Mix them well. And now I got 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, and I'll put little water just to mix it really well, no lumps. And it's not very tight, just liquidy kind of, but not too liquidy also. I still have some lumps, so but make sure there's no lumps. Keep mixing it well, and I'm going to add little 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because this is going to be our coating, and a little chili flakes just to give it coating a taste. That's all. Mix it well, and keep it aside. Now we are going to put this stuffing on the bread. After adding the stuffing on the bread, it looks like this. I also added cilantro, but if you don't have cilantro, it's fine. Just it gives good flavor to it. And just put it like that, and now we are going to fry them. All right, now we are going to take a pan and put few like maybe 2 tablespoons of oil and start cooking there. So now we are going to put little oil.
Hey mommy, is it ready yet? It looks tasty.
Just a minute, wait. All purpose flour and water mix should be like this. I added little carom seeds also to it. I love carom seeds. They are my favorite. They give really good taste to anything you make. So, but not needed again. And now I'm going to put this on top of, spread on this. Slowly spread it. Because I'm going to cook it to other side, so I just want to give. Okay.
That looks really good, Mom.
Oh, thank you. It will be so delicious. So now we will flip it to other side. Just put little oil on top of that. So when we flip, it does not stick to other side. Okay, let me flip it. seconds. Then we are going to flip it back. See how I can move it around, so that means it did not stick. So this is how it looks, cooked nicely. For kids you can add little cheese, so they really like it, you know, on the top of this stuff. That. And if you're putting cheese, then put it, you know, something on top, so let it cook for a few minutes. Wow, this is how the cheese bread looks like, and you can cut it in the, just like pizza slice. You can eat it with the sauce or chutney, mint chutney, or the tamarind chutney I made. I have a video also on how to make very easy tamarind chutney. So you can eat with anything, or just like that. Here is another one without the cheese. See, just cut it in. See how crunchy it is sound. Ooh, so tasty. Alright, thank you for watching, and please let me know your comments, and try at least once. It's really tasty, easy, very easy and quick breakfast or snack anytime in the day. Very easily made, not too much oil to use. Eat it with ketchup, chutney, or just like that with tea.
How is it, Petu? I'm eating with buffalo sauce. Really tasty.
Mom, this tastes really good.
Your tasty breakfast. Love it.